Welcome! In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. First thing that you should look at is power settings of your device. To do that, right-click the battery icon that you can see in the bottom right corner of your screen, go to Power and Sleep settings, and make sure that your power mode is set for best power efficiency for both plugged in and on battery modes. Also, make sure to adjust screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. I recommend that you use 5 minutes sleep timer for your device when it's plugged in, and 3 minutes for your device when it's working on battery. And also adjust the energy saver so that it enables when your device reaches some certain battery level, or you can also enable it manually by switching the toggle to the right. The next thing I want to mention is the display brightness, as display brightness affects your battery highly. To change your display brightness, tap on these 3 icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and move this slider to the left until to the point where you're still comfortable with your display brightness. The next thing is connected devices. Go to the Start menu, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and if you have any devices connected, especially the ones that you don't use, tap on the 3-dot icon in this square icon and select Disconnect to disconnect your devices. Also, if you're not using Bluetooth, switch it off for battery saving too. The next thing is updates, especially driver updates for your Windows. To find updates, open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for updates, and if your device finds any updates, it would be great for your battery if you download them all and install them all. After that, you'll have to restart your PC in order to changes to apply. And if you want to find additional updates, go to Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, and if you have any, install them just as well. Of course, it is not the only way to check for updates on your Lenovo laptop. Open the Microsoft Store and check for Lenovo Vantage application. It's the vital application for your laptop. So simply click Get right here if you don't have it yet. Once you click Get, the application will start installing. The installation process is plain and simple. You don't have to change or choose anything. Basically, it downloads and installs on your PC instantly. Now, when you have it installed, you can open it, and here you can click Check for updates. And if your device has any updates to install, you'll be notified and you'll be able to download and install the updates as well. Let's wait for a while. I'm sure it's gonna end now. Okay, as you can see, I don't have any updates available, but if you do, take your time to download and install them. Also, scan your computer using Lenovo Smart Performance by scrolling down here, clicking Scan, and after a while, you'll be your system will be scanned, and the system scan will also improve your device's performance and of course will improve your battery life too. If you sign up here, once you see the sign up icon, you'll be able to perform this scan once a week. You can also schedule the scan right here. And that's basically it. Now the last thing that I want to mention is that batteries generally get old over time, and if you want to check your battery's current health in order to see whether or not you have to replace it, open the search field and search for CMD application. Now run it as administrator, click yes, and in the following field input power CFG spacebar / battery report. Select this path, right click to copy, then you can close the command prompt, open your file explorer or web browser, open the file path field, paste this path right here, press enter, and on the following screen you'll be able to find the battery report. Generally there is a lot of information about your battery which you probably want to check if you're interested in it, but the main thing that we want to look at is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. Basically, the design capacity is the original capacity of your battery, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity that your battery can handle. So if your full charge capacity has gone significantly lower than the design capacity, that means that is the time when you should replace your battery. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.